guys, it's Angie here, and today I'm at Javen's house right now, and I'm gonna be introducing my other cousin. I wasn't talking about you, Javen, but my other cousin, Mina. So
Hello, Miko.
She's gonna be a part of our subbies only for until Tuesday, because she's leaving on Tuesday, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna see how long Javen can solve one side of a Rubik's cube.
3x3 Rubik's Cube.
Okay.
I'm going for yellow.
So we're
I'm
gonna
going
start
for yellow.
in 3,
No, white. I'm going for white. Yeah.
2, 1,
Go.
I'm going for white.
Okay, so we're going to be seeing how long will it take for Javen to solve a piece.
Well, the time is backwards, so like it's gonna be weird for them.
Not for us.
Finished.
Okay, stop. 28
No,
seconds.
you're supposed to finish the whole thing.
No, you're supposed to finish one piece.
Yeah, one side.
Okay.
Well, it's 28 seconds and 29 point-second thing.
Milliseconds.
Yeah, whatever he said.
I think it's
So-
I think it's milliseconds. I think it's milliseconds. Comment down below what that is. Milliseconds, I
So,
think.
28. Basically,
It's Gucci.
And you can see there's no cheat.
so 28 seconds and 29 milliseconds, whatever the heck, that he finished. So, there you go. Now we know.
Okay. 28 seconds, not that long.
Yeah.
What the heck are you doing? Wait, do it again. Do it again. Ooh. Wait, do it again. Do it again. Go.
Okay, so yeah, bye.